And now, a guy whose show is ranked just above a proctology exam. Please give a warm welcome to...
Well, hello everybody. It is I, Big Elvis, once again, and there it is, the Big Elvis Diecast Review, YouTube, family and friends. We're glad you're here. I did do a thing on a poll on the community board. If you haven't seen it yet, go over there and check it out. Still got plenty of time to vote. But I asked a question. Is there something else you'd like to see? You got one that's give me your ideas. One was just diecast, I think. One is other products. And one was car shows. So car shows and other products right now are what's been asked about. So we're going to do a product thing. How about old Milwaukee Packout? I don't know if you guys have seen the Packout things. I use several of them at work. They do connect into each other with these deals here, so you can build your own toolbox. This happens to be something I got on Whatnot. I don't know how many of you check out Whatnot. Lots of diecast dealers on Whatnot. Sometimes you can get a really good deal. This Packout was the 3/8 tool set. And it is got the shorts and the long. And here's the deal. They all have their individual deal. You got short extension, long extension, a 3/8 drive. They are Milwaukee. Nice, heavy. I just lost two of them out of the pack. Okay. So here's what they look like. They do have, there's the deal. This is the 7/16. They are square-ended, so they fit your ratchet perfectly. This is going to be a nice deal. I've got one that has escaped me. It does have a swivel with it. I'll let you see down here. There they go. I did just drop one out. I'll have to find. But yeah, they go in this. It's a nice pack thing. You can see you've got long, deep wells, and they seem to be nice. I've got other Milwaukee tools that I use at work, and I do appreciate them. They are pretty nice. I also did get some Milwaukee batteries, the M12s, and 3 different sizes of the M18s, and a charger. You all know, or if you don't, very expensive to get that way. On Whatnot, he started them out at $1 a piece. I ended up spending total, well, that tool set was $130 retail. I ended up buying it for $90. And it was all auction. I ended up buying the batteries. Total retail on them would have been, I think, close to $300. And I ended up buying all the batteries and the charger for like $150. So I didn't think that was too bad. And I got this cool Milwaukee fastback knife. You can see there's a knife in there that you can cut string, rope with. It is a lockable, and you push this and it comes open. It is a razor knife. It has a little deal right there that you can see that you can cut with, or you can cut with the blade. So cool work tool. Does have a belt clip that comes with it. And warn you to wear your safety glasses, which you always should. But it does close down and locks. All operated by that little button. Pretty neat. Thought that was kind of cool. while we were doing some online shopping, we found this. I thought this was funny. Probably not for everybody, but it is funny nonetheless. So it does. Let me get up here where I can see. So welcome to Rosie's, where the girls ain't exactly pretty and ain't exactly small. Just thought that was funny. Yeah, I'll probably wear it out and about sometimes. That's actually, believe it or not, was on a Temu website, and I bought it extra. I bought it a 5X because I wasn't sure. Last time I bought a shirt on Temu was way small, even though I ordered 5X or 4X. So then I got, trying to win Roman Atwood's GTR. I bought the GTR shirt, thinking, what the heck, I'll try my best. GTR. I don't know exactly what that says, but we'll try to see if we can translate it. All right, that is some of the products I got in. Bunker branding. Roman Atwood owns part of it, and gotta say, quality of the shirt is very nice. Graphic seems to be very nice. We'll see if it bleeds or fades. I've got a couple other bunker branding products, and they do appear to be pretty good. Folks, that is a quick review of some of the things that I got in. If you like this kind of video, give us a like, share, subscribe, and comment down below, as always. Appreciate you tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one. Big Elvis. Take care of each other out there.